Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to guide you step by step on how to access your LinkedIn Campaign Manager account. LinkedIn Campaign Manager is essential for managing ads, analyzing performance, and optimizing campaigns, so it's important to log in correctly and securely. Step 1. Go to the LinkedIn login page at www.linkedin.com and sign in with your LinkedIn account credentials, your email, and password. Step 2. Once logged in, click on the work icon in the top right corner of your LinkedIn homepage, then select Advertise from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Campaign Manager interface. Step 3. If you have multiple ad accounts, select the specific account you want to access from the account list. Step 4. If your account has two-factor authentication, 2FA, enabled, enter the verification code from your Authenticator app or via SMS to complete the login process. Step 5. If you can't log in or have forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password on the LinkedIn login page and follow the instructions to reset it. Step 6. Clear your browser cache or try accessing LinkedIn Campaign Manager from a different browser or device if you encounter technical issues. Step 7. If you're still unable to access your Campaign Manager account, contact LinkedIn support. Provide your account details, including the email linked to your ad account, so they can assist you in regaining access safely. Following these steps will help you securely access your LinkedIn Campaign Manager account and manage your campaigns efficiently. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more useful tutorials.